Meaning of fibroma.
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 Fibroma. Fibroma is a medical term used to describe a type of benign tumor that originates in the connective tissue. The tumor is made up of fibrous or connective tissue cells, which form a mass or lump in the affected area. Fibromas can appear anywhere in the body but are most commonly seen on the skin, gums, and in the uterus. Although fibromas are not considered cancerous, they can cause discomfort, pain, or other symptoms depending on their location. Treatment may involve surgical excision or other interventions depending on the size and location of the fibroma.